Magandang araw po mga kaguro. I-share ko po sa inyo ngayon ang isang bagong DepEd order na kalalabas lamang po kahapon, April 15, 2025. Ang DepEd order number 12 series of 2025 na may titulong Multi-Year Implementing Guidelines on School Calendar of Activities for School Year 2025-2026. Ang ating pong school calendar para sa school year 2025-2026 ay may kabuuang 197 o 197 school days at kasama na po rito ang year-end rights. Ang ating pong klase ay magsisimula po sa June 16, 2025 at magtatapos sa March 31, 2026. Nakapaloob po sa naturang DepEd order ang learning delivery modality, national and local celebrations and holidays, preparation of the opening of classes, system and classroom assessment, co-curricular activities, school health and nutrition activities and services, learner government elections, general assembly and parent-teachers conferences, mid-school year break, professional development of teachers, holiday break and resumption of classes, National Learning Intervention Program. Bilang enclosure po, nandito rin po ang monthly school calendar of activities for school year 2025-2026, total number of school days per month, at ang list of activities and celebration. Yan lamang po. Marami pong salamat.